Today we're going to compare watch brands and planes, and I'm here with Jack from the Jet Business. Hi Jack, how you doing?
Hello, let's take a look at some planes.
For sure. This is an AP, which is part of the holy trinity of watchmaking. This is the Ultrafin Royal Oak 15202, 39mm, and it's now discontinued since last year. What plane are we going to compare it to?
Closest comparison is the Gulfstream G600, just like the one that's behind me. Excellent watch. It's not quite like the G650ER, which is the slightly bigger brother to this one, but it is still one of the best aircraft you can get.
Yeah, and I happen to agree with that alongside of this AP. But it is obviously a fantastic piece, and obviously the G600, nobody's going to complain about that either. Okay, let's check out some more. So they often say save the best for last, but today, who's got time for that? Here I have the Patek Philippe Nautilus, reference number 5990. Absolutely classic watch. For me, it's the most comfortable, most wearable, because I find some of the other Pateks a little bit too thin. And this, because of the movement, because of the dual time case, as well as the flyback chrono, it's actually a lot thicker. What plane are we comparing this to today, Jack?
This is the Gulfstream G650ER, one of the best aircraft money can buy, right? One of the best aircraft ranges, one of the best cabins, any category you look at, probably one of the best aircraft, just like the Patek.
Yeah, I see exactly how we've compared that. Speaking of our cabins, interior or the movement of the watch is one of the best on the market. So I can really see the comparisons between the Patek and the plane. So basically, if you buy one of these G650s ERs, you need to call me and buy one of these too.
Well, if you want to buy one, you have to call me.
The last watch I have here today is the Rolex Skydweller. This is the rose gold version with the Sundust dial. It's actually discontinued. It's Rolex's complicated movement. This is one of the top of the range Rolexes. And how does this compare with the planes, Jack?
It's actually quite comparable because this is a Embraer Praetor 600, one of the best upper mid-tier aircraft you can get. In terms of mid-size cabin, best aircraft you can get. Quite in accordance with Rolex because, you know, Rolex is quite an established brand, manufacturing watches for so many years, and so has Embraer. You know, they started as a commercial manufacturer, but then has really dominated this niche of this super mid-sized aircraft.
So that's it, guys. Thanks to Jack for showing me around the planes. Which one of these do you like the most?
So I think I'm going to go for the Patek.
No problem. You can have that one, and I might give you another 199 in part exchange for the G6.
I think we can do that deal.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.